Welcome back, YouTube. And this video is going to continue my series that I've been doing on PenFed answering my subscribers' questions. This particular video isn't specific to PenFed. However, I just wanted to kind of give you all a little bit of insight on basically um, what you can do to basically legitimize what you may already be doing and ensure that you are not, um, commingling funds or doing anything that can cause you issues down the line. So I always get asked questions, and I was just asked this question about PenFed with what, with can you get a loan without documents with PenFed? A lot of the times I get asked this question by people who are self employed. And the reason why they ask this question is because they may have trouble with keeping up with their finances and separating their business from their personal, or with figuring out how to pay themselves from their business. And there are different options and different ways to do this. There are certain banks and credit unions that allow you to do this directly through your bank, through your business account. However, I will say that the ultimate workaround and easiest way to make sure that you are doing everything legitimate and keeping everything up, of course, is going to be to have an accountant or some type of financial professional to handle your books and handle that stuff. Now, if you're smaller and you can't afford to have an accountant yet, or have someone who's on staff handling your finances, and you're doing it still yourself, or if you're just a control freak and you want to do it yourself, to ensure you're doing it appropriately, I would set up a business account using my business EIN number, and have that completely separate from my personal accounts. I would have any funds that I make in my business deposited into my business account, and then from those funds, I would then um, purchase some form of payroll processor, um, similar to ADP, or one of those other companies, Sure Payroll, Gusto, whatever it is that you're utilizing. Find you a payment processor that works for you and works within your budget. Um, and then pay for that payroll processor. They vary in price. Some are, 50, $60 a month. Some are $100 a month. Some are more. It depends on the size of your company and all those good things. Um, and then basically you just cut yourself a paycheck from that payroll processor. You can use some other type of accounting software, QuickBooks or whatever, to keep up with everything all together and link it to one of those different programs. So that way you're able to show, your inventory, the things that you spent money on, categorize those different things, as well as pay yourself. Um, so with that being said, I just wanted to give you guys that opportunity to understand that, because yes, you can use bank statements and all those other things, but if you want to use something a little less invasive and be able to have legitimate pay stubs, and not do what these other people are telling you, where they're telling you to, go out and do things that are illegal and fake pay stubs and all that other stuff. Please don't do that stuff. Use a legitimate payroll processor, um, and keep all of your books up to date, so that way you're able to get those loans when you need them. As always, thank you guys for watching. Thank you all for tuning in. Thank you all for being a part of the family, and we'll see you in the next one.